Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals. This is a quick tutorial on how to use our rental Hiaces. So to start off with, at the front of the car, you want to make sure that this lift button sitting right here is switched on. It's pressed in at the moment, however there's no light, and that's because the tailgate is closed. When that's open, you will get an orange light, and that will tell you that everything in the front is working. This button can also be located either side of the steering wheel, so make sure to check there as well if it's not next to the aircon controls. We'll go to the back and look at the lift now. So we've just got a manual open for the tailgate. And then we've got a very simple design for the buttons on the remote. You've got 3 buttons. You just press the down button and it will bring the platform out. Now the rule of thumb with these is you want to make sure that the platform and the wheels of the vehicle are all on a flat surface the whole way along. If there's any variation in the ground, it may cause the sensors to play up. Now we would have just gotten a 2 beep from the system there. That tells it that it's all in the right space. So as long as you get the double beeps whenever you bring this platform in and out, that means that the lift's all happy. Once it's on the ground, you press the little grey button at the bottom, and that'll bring the little ramp down. Now to attach the wheelchair to the points here, we've got the tie down points. So the way that they go on is you want to get this pit that moves to hit the teeth here. So you push it down like that, this will pop up, slide it to the side and you'll hear it click into place. Red latch unlocks it, hook it onto the wheelchair, use that to tighten up. You've got one on each corner of the platform as well as a spot in the front as well on the smaller ones. For the Japanese restraints, we recommend you don't use them as these are not part of what's legal in Australia. The one thing to note is as wheelchairs go over the top of this, it can knock this out. You've got a little sensor here. When I pull that out, it's going to start beeping at me. There's the sensor just there. It's a little claw that grabs it. So if you find that you're hearing an intermittent beep coming from the system and everything else seems fine, make sure you check that and just push that back in and that will stop the beeping. Now to bring the hoist back up into the car, you just have to press the up button. You don't have to worry about the grey button for the ramp. Just press the up button and away it'll go. Now you must keep pressing this down button until you hear the double beep. So I'm going to do it now. Make sure that you hear that double beep every time. Even if it visually looks like it's in the correct spot, you want that computer to double beep, otherwise it may play up. There's also another set of hooks further into the cabin. They also have the same sensor and it's also located in the exact same spot. Make sure if this one's pressed in, just make sure you check that one as well. It will beep regardless. If one of them's popped out, it will keep beeping and the beeping will increase. So make sure you check that. That's pretty much it. Easy.